Okay, another tips for cleaning. I'm going to clean the toilet bowl tank. So this one, I know it's not visible, but we need to clean this whenever it is dirty. So we need to check this every week or so. So I'm going to clean it. It's not really dirty, but I can see some spots that needs to clean or to remove. And I can also see this part here that it's very dirty. So what I'm going to do, I will use the toothbrush, this one to clean that part, and then this one to scrub the sides. Okay, so first I will scrub this area first, just to make sure that the spots will remove. Okay, and now I'm going to lift this up, okay? And then the water will drain. There we go. And then I will start cleaning this. You see, it is very dirty. So keep on brushing. There you go, guys. Now it's super clean. So there you go. So I clean it using the toothbrush, and then the sides I use sponge. So no need soap, just scrub it the sides. And now it's very clean, so we can close it. And then later we have to flush inside. So as you can see, it's dirty now because I cleaned the tank. So we need to flush the toilet bowl and put some Lysol in it just to make it very clean. Okay, so let's flush the water. And now put some Lysol in it. And use this Muppet toilet cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner. There you go. So it's ready for the new guest. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that I help, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials and more tips. Thank you.